Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what InsiderGift.com is, what it offers, and how. So let's get started. According to the official Insider Gifts website or Gifted website, Insider Gifted is an online reward platform where users can complete promotional offers for a chance to qualify for 750 bucks Sephora gift card. The website says that the participants must complete a number of required deals before they become eligible to submit a reward claim. And according to the website, these deals may include downloading apps, completing surveys, signing up for trials, subscriptions, or participating in other promotional offers. The company says that each deal has its own requirements, and every required offer must be completed successfully before you can continue reward claim. Of course, if you click on Start Now, it will show you some deals depending on your location. So they get access for IP, they know where you are, and they get deals for that specific. But before getting started, make sure that you carefully read the terms and conditions for every offer. Some promotions may involve subscriptions, purchases, and other requirements, so it's important to understand exactly what you're agreeing to before providing any personal or payment information. Specifically for payment information, do not provide any of those unless you are very sure, so be cautious. So if you're thinking about participating, take any time or take your whole time before completing any paid offers or subscription. Read the cancellation policies, keep copies of confirmation emails, and save screenshots of completed offers in case you need them later. Doing your own research before spending any money is always a good idea and it's always recommended. And it's important to note that Sephora has stated basically that Insider Gifted is not an affiliated with Sephora or its Beauty Insider program. While the website advertises a Sephora gift card, the reward program is operated independently. So if you have any questions before participating, make sure to review the frequently asked question, even if it's small, as you can see here at the bottom, and all of the official terms on the websites before continuing. As always, proceed with caution and verify the information yourself, and only continue if you're comfortable with the requirements and any costs that may be involved. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.